I will borrow Clive's slide and point out that there is a digital revolution going on. And we are in the middle of this rapid change. It's based on digitalization, and this change influences us all, especially here in rural areas. We could have new kind of businesses, new kind of educational models, new kind of service models. In a way, this is a second industrial revolution. It also is a socio-economic revolution. And it offers us new possibilities, of course, new challenges. In a way, it's some kind of new age of innovation. And I would like to quote this professor from India, Siko Prahalad. He has made a statement, actually created two formulas. The first one is called n equals 1. Well, what does this mean? This means that services now, in the digital age, can be tailor-made for each individual person. And the second one is R equals G. And this means that resources to produce the service can be global. For example, Thomas in Isojoki can make global business today. But in order to make this possible, we need a third formula. I created this myself, so this is not scientifically tested, but it means that E equals HSP. And this means that all the citizens, businesses, and society should have access to high-speed broadband. If there is no broadband, there won't be n equals 1 or R equals G. Thank you very much. And then back to the seminar. Hartwig told us that the FTTH is the infrastructure of the 21st century. And also that Europe at the moment is lagging behind Asia. Good mobile networks need FTTH networks. A regional development. Would we like to have prosperous regions or megacities? We have this European Union digital agenda, and in order to have that agenda implemented, we need to have this FTTH also in the rural areas. Mr. Kotsky, Tom Kotsky, told us how to build high-speed network. There's a nice model, 4 steps, keys to success. First, identify and document gaps and needs, and they have this toolkit systematization. Very important is to engage all stakeholders and have a local participation. In a way, this is something like rural development or regional development. My background is in the regional development and rural development, and I've found many similar things here. We need to have local participation in order to have things done. Also, embrace all alternative, not necessarily FTTH is the only possibility. It depends on the region. Tailor-made solutions for each region. And also we need to have immediate and tangible results, something concrete. They could be baby steps, but anyhow, some results. Just a few minutes ago, we heard a great presentation from Marco and Kristen about the socio-economic return on investment on broadbands. And we heard that new infra creates new business possibilities, and open access data networks means also more competition and lower prices in cities and in towns. And an example of this is case Teua, when Anne-Marie and her team has calculated that there has at least 2.5 million euro savings, direct savings. And in Suupohja we have estimations that it's 12.5 million euro savings, at least, direct savings. And we heard that broadband increased the market value for houses and market value for the region, also creates higher employment. In a way, this mind map or picture, whatever it is, I just draw it. I think that this makes some kind of conclusion of this day. If we have high-speed broadband, then we're going to have new kind of access to markets, new business opportunities and new jobs. We could also have new innovation, increased productivity and competitiveness in the region. On the other hand, broadband gives great possibilities for education. You all see what is possible if you use broadband and ICT in education. It's also a question of social inclusion and quality of life. We could have also smart grids. We need high-speed broadband in order to develop sustainable energy control systems when we are using renewable energy here in rural areas, for example. And Madis made a great presentation, X-Road, Estonian X-Road and health service consultancy. Estonian is a great example for us, and as Madis told us, we need FTTH or broadband in order to create this new kind of social and healthcare services. Back to basics. Engage project and manifesto. You all know these statements here and probably even better than me. But as Clive said, the manifesto is the key thing, and we have 10 key points there, essential steps in order to have broadband in rural areas. And today we are going to sign the manifesto, and I think it's a great opportunity for us to make something new and start a new process. But finally, I would like to make a question. What was this seminar all about? Well, I took the liberty of putting Engage Manifesto into the word cloud processor, and I got this. So we can see many familiar words there, and everybody can choose their own paths and find out what is all about. What is FTTH and broadband all about? It's about rural development, digital development, high-speed networks, new kind of solutions for Europe, new services for Europe, and many other things also. So this was it. I was quite quick, I would say. I wrap up 8-hour seminar in 5 or 10 minutes. But on behalf of SEC, at this point, I would like to thank you all for being here, and the evening continues and we have more program, but I hope that you have enjoyed our seminar. Thank you.